a zebra.
What's next?
Well, the pink jasmine are missing a piece. And he couldn't find it with his mommy.
So what happened?
So he looked for a missing piece, and finally he didn't find it.
He's looking for his missing piece, Dad.
Oh.
And he didn't find it.
No, so what does he do?
And that little thing helped them go find it. And then he found it.
Where was it?
It was right over to this edge.
Oh.
And they got it.
Wow.
Peanut butter with a jelly. With a peanut butter jelly with a blue night. A sector. So how could we go on a sector with a bad car? So money things. Hey, is this money? That is money.
That is money.
So
What'd you tell Mommy today?
yeah, big boobies.
Did I have what?
Big boobies.
What else did you tell Mommy today?
That you have a big butt. Lipstick on the blue night with
What else did you tell Mommy?
something.
I think Mommy was looking more about best friend.
What'd you tell Mommy today?
They're my best friend.
Oh, what'd you tell Daddy today?
They're my best friend.
Woohoo.
Crayons.
What'd you tell Mommy?
What'd you tell Mommy?
A night room tonight.
Say goodnight, Dee.